Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. So if you saw the last video I made, I had a design plan in mind and I got distracted and sidetracked and messed the design up. Save the soap, it's not bad by any means, just a little on the plain side. So I decided that I would try that again. I'm using different colors and a different fragrance, but I'm going to try the same basic design and try not to get distracted. So for the fragrance, as you guessed by the title, this is Comfort and Joy from Nurture Soap. I've used this before quite a while ago. And although this is generally considered a Christmas fragrance, especially because of the title, it's apples and cinnamon are the prevalent smells in it. So yeah, we can still use that. Plus, it's late September. It won't be given out till late. It's late August. It won't be given out till late September. So I think that would be appropriate for apples. So what I'll be doing is, on the bottom level, I'm going to do a solid color, and I'm going to do a mixture of Nurture Soap's Lime Appeal and Nurture Soap's New Leaf Green. I'm having trouble speaking because I'm going kind of for the Granny Smith apple on the bottom layer. And then, once that sets up, I'm going to try again the In the Pot swirl with white with titanium dioxide and Nurture Soap's Trial by Fire red. And then I'm going to pipe a yellow top on it to represent the yellow apples. So I have the green apples, the red apples, and the yellow apples, and the apple cinnamon fragrance in it. So give me a minute to set up and I will be right back. Okay, so I have everything set up and my soap is emulsified and divided into containers. So let's start with our bottom, which will be our green. I'm going to use about a half a teaspoon each of the Lime Appeal and the New Leaf Green. And both of these colors morph to a not so attractive green initially, but they always turn back to their intended color, so don't worry. I've used them both enough to know it happens and they always come back to normal. And I think that looks just fine, so let's proceed. And I'm soaping a little warm. I'm about 93 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a little warm for me, but I know this fragrance behaves and I don't need a lot of time to pour. So I can use this entire bottle, so I'm going to put about a quarter into it, to our bottom layer. And I'm going to give it a pretty hefty stick blend so it will set up quickly. Quickly get into the mold. And obviously that has to sit for a while, so I'll be back. I'm not sure if I hit record or not, but all I did was mix the white into the larger container. I'm mixing the Trial by Fire into the small container for the red. So if that didn't record, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just starting the In the Pot swirl. Okay, so let's get our fragrance in. That's just about the right amount to save for our frosting. So let me give the white a buzz first, because I always do lightest to darkest. Give the red a buzz. I'm going to go ahead and pour it. I like it a little thicker, but I did a lot of stick blending. It's warm, so I don't want to risk it. So let's go ahead and start the pour. I'll just be slow with it. And I think that worked just about right. And I'm sorry I'm blocking you, but I can't hold this bigger container up out of the way. Alright, that will have to sit a while, and when it starts to firm up, I'll mix the soap frosting and I'll be back. Okay, it's time to cut our soap, and I'm really excited about this one. The pour went beautifully, and we've got our nice Granny Smith apple on the bottom, we've got our red apple in the center, and we've got our yellow apple on the top. And I know from prior use, this fragrance really holds its scent really well, although cinnamon is the strongest smell in it. So Nurture Soap also sells, I think it's just called apple, and it's just an apple scent. I think mixing that 50-50 with this would really give a nice apple cinnamon scent. But anyway, yeah, that's just the end piece. This was the plan I intended last week with the blueberries, and didn't quite happen. So I am very happy with these. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do, but I'll have another video up this weekend, but that's what I have for today. So thanks for watching. Like always, stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. Bye, everybody.